Hello everyone, I am your Dr. Stone. I used to work for an oil service company as the software engineer. In this video, I want to take the opportunity and talk about 4 aspects of being a software engineer in the oil industry. A little bit about the oil service company that I worked for. The oil companies want to know about the underground structure of the earth before they drill for oil. They acquire seismic data on the field and send to us for processing. Our company uses the cutting-edge algorithms and complicated processing flows to produce high-quality subsurface images and deliver to the clients. The software engineers support the processing teams and also help the research development. Now, let's talk about the 4 aspects of being a software engineer in the oil industry. Number 1, they look at the oil price more often than the software KPI dashboard. Crude oil is the globally traded commodity. The oil price is essentially determined by the supply-demand relation. When the world produces more than what's needed, the low oil price can discourage oil production and encourage consumption, closing the gap. In late 2014, the oil supply increased way faster than the demand because of the shale technology breakthrough. The oil price dropped from $100 per barrel to below $30. Recently, most people have stayed at home due to COVID-19. The oil demand has dropped dramatically, driving the oil price to be even negative in April. At low oil price, the oil companies cannot generate enough cash to support their spendings. In this situation, every company and each individual in this value chain get affected. At that company, I saw 6 rounds of layoffs. Some good software engineers were let go just because of the low oil price. Number 2, they require a diversity of skills to perform. Big tech companies hire a lot of software engineers with degrees in physics, mathematics, or electrical engineering. But the work has nothing to do with physics or mathematics. It is still pure software engineering work related to caching, distributed systems, or networking. In the oil industry, the software involves a lot of domain knowledge. The software engineers require skills in physics, mathematics, and signal processing to perform the job. At some companies in the oil industry, they even prefer to hire physicists or mathematicians for the software engineering positions. Number 3, most software engineers are support functions in the oil industry. At big tech companies, the software engineers are the biggest group of the employees. They are the driving force, building large-scale software to change the world. But in the oil industry, geophysics, drilling, petroleum engineering are the core businesses. Software engineers are making software to support them and improve their efficiency. In many organizations, software engineers are only a very small group of people in the oil industry. Number 4, software engineers in the oil industry live in Texas. Silicon Valley and Seattle are the tech hubs. Software engineers at the big tech companies, they make twice more than those in the oil industry. But they need more than $1 million to afford a house on the West Coast. The software engineers in the oil industry make less money, but they only need 200K to afford a decent house in Texas. So, being a software engineer in the oil industry versus being a software engineer at the big tech companies. Put your comments below and let me know which one you prefer. I am your Dr. Stone. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.